Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you to make your travel video look super real using AI, even if you never left home. And all we need is Gemini and Google Flow. So let's jump right in. First, just open Gemini. We're going to edit a selfie as if we're flagging on vacations. Just tap on create image to activate the nano banana feature, and then just upload your selfie. Tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo like this. Now let's change the background. Just type a prompt something like this. And then just generate. And okay, like this. As you can see from this image, you will look like you are standing right in front of the Eiffel Tower. And if you are not happy with the first result, just tweak your prompt until it looks perfect. And once you are satisfied, just download the photo like this. And then next, just open Google Flow. And then just tap on new projects. And then choose frames to video. Upload your image like this. And now we will add a prompt to make it move like a real vlog. For example, I will type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just setting your result. I will choose real 3 face and then one output, and then I will turn the aspect ratio to portrait like this, and then just generate. And okay, like this, let's try to play the video.
Hey everyone, I'm here in Paris and look what's behind me. The Eiffel Tower! It's so beautiful. Hey everyone, I'm here in Paris and look what's behind me. The Eiffel Tower! It's so beautiful. Hey everyone, I'm here in Paris and look.
And okay, like this. Yeah, you transform your photo into a short realistic travel clip like this. And okay, that's it. With just Gemini and Google Flow, you can turn a simple selfie into a travel video that looks like you are exploring during vacations. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!